how to invest with the Cash App. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video, and I am super excited to make this video because now you can invest with the Cash App. So let's just jump right into this. This is the Cash App here. I know a lot of people already have the Cash App. Tons of people already use it. Now you can use it to invest in the stock market. One thing I really like about the Cash App is it's just really simple to use, and you can get a card, you can hook it up to Apple Pay, and now you can invest. So let's go over to the investing. Now what you want to do is you want to come down to the bottom here and hit this little graph mark, and it says investing for everybody. And this is pretty awesome. Now, they've already had Bitcoin here for a while. I have $111 in Bitcoin with the Cash App. But over here is stocks, and I haven't bought any stocks yet, and I'm gonna show you guys how to buy stocks right now. So what you wanna do is you wanna just come up to the top here. Well, no, you wanna go up to the top here, and you wanna just type in a company. For example, I'm gonna type in Square. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm gonna purchase stock here. And this is not financial advice. The shares that I pick, I'm not telling you guys to go out there and pick these shares, but these are shares that you know I like, and shares that I'm gonna pick in companies that I see faith in. And Square is a company that I really like. I actually bought a lot of Square around $14, and Square went all the way up to like what it was like $100. I want to say like 6 months ago. And now it's like trading around $67. So I definitely want to get some Square. So what you want to do is just come and hit buy. And you have some options here. One cool thing about the Cash App is you can buy fractional shares. For example, a company like Amazon is very expensive. It's what, $1,900 a share right now or something like that. And if you don't have $1,900 and you're using the Robinhood app, you can't invest in Amazon. But with the Cash App, you can buy a fractional amount of shares. So you can put like $20 in Amazon, or you can put $10 into Cash App. So here, I actually want to get a whole share. I don't know if I can do that. Let's see. Yes, I can buy a whole share. So I would just punch in the amount. And how much is the share amount? It is $67. So I'm going to come over here and hit buy. And I'm just going to type in 67. Let's go over a little bit, 67.50. And we need a little more information. Oh, okay. Now, when you first purchase your first share on the Cash App, you will have to be verified. And I just went through the process, and now I am verified, and I have just purchased one share, 1.004 shares of Square. And this is pretty cool. Now I own one share of Square in the Cash App. Now let's go and purchase more shares. Let's go back here. I'm just gonna give you guys just sort of a walkthrough of how to use the Cash App here. Another company that I really like is Uber. I see a lot of potential in Uber. Tons of potential in Uber. And for Uber, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and, I was just gonna do $100, but that won't exactly give me 4 shares. So we're gonna do $108 in Uber. That'll be about 4 shares. I have to enter my PIN really fast. Okay, and I still did not get 4 shares. I got 3.8 shares. So I'm just gonna go ahead and confirm. I wanted to get like, at least 4 shares, so that way it would be a round number, but I wasn't able to do that. I guess I can just do it now. I can just hit like 20, and that'll definitely get me above 4 shares. Yeah, I'll be above 4 shares now, so that's how we'll play that one. So now I got a little bit of Uber, got about 4 shares of Uber. And I see my money value is going down over here. So about $127 investing in Uber with the Cash App. And let's see. So it's kind of cool how your portfolio works here. It just shows up down here. Let's go ahead and let's sort of invest a little fractional, okay? I'm just gonna go through some companies because there's a lot of attractive companies here. Now none of these are high growth companies. But let's okay, Apple is one. Let's just get $50 in Apple. Let's just see how fast we can buy this. I gotta enter my PIN. Okay, just got $50 worth in Apple. Or was that 50 or was that 20? Okay, that was $50 worth of Apple. So I got my Apple shares is worth $49.99. And my money value is just dropping. Let's go and get some Tesla because I am huge fanboy of Tesla. Tesla is up today. Tesla is $340. Let's just add a little bit of Tesla to this portfolio. Let's just do $100. There you go, Elon. Okay, so it's just really, really simple. You can just purchase shares really fast. Now, if you guys deliver for Caviar, like the food delivery service, one cool thing about delivering for Caviar is you have, like I get paid like every day. Like every time I complete a delivery, I get, a small portion of the final payout. And one cool thing about that is I can go throughout the day and purchase stock if I want to. Like, I don't even have to worry about taking the money from Chase and transferring it to Robinhood or taking the money from, the bank account and transferring it to another broker. Like, I can just have the money go to the Cash App and then just automatically invest straight into the Cash App. Now, the Cash App is amazing. They have these boosts. So I went to Whole Foods and spent like $15.94 and I got 5% off. And I like how these show up here of the shares that you bought. It shows up in your activity feed, which is kind of cool. This is something new. I haven't seen this before because I just used this feature. And I like how it shows you like, it sticks out things. Like I went to Oasis Grill, it was $5.41. Safeway, $21.29. Went to this taco shop, went to this Ike's sandwich place, went to CVS. Like it just shows up like really, really cool. And then it also shows, money that's coming in. Like from Caviar, I got $40.78 and $22.05 and $5.77. So the Cash App and investing with the Cash App is like a game changer. It's like a game changer. It's almost like having an investment account hooked up to like your Chase bank account or having an investment account hooked up to like a traditional boring bank account. Like this is freaking awesome. And I like the interface. I like how it looks, how it just looks very simple and very clean. I love Square's products. Square makes very, very attractive, simple products. I just really like their interface. I think it looks really dope. One thing I kind of don't like about the interface, because I can say things that I don't like about the product, it's almost like too simple. Or maybe this is not a bad thing. Maybe I just have to get used to it because I'm not used to using this. I'm used to using like Robinhood. But I do like how it shows up here. Like before, I didn't see how it shows up, but now it kind of shows up very, very simple. And I own 4.5 shares of Uber at the share price of about $28.23. And it just keeps up with the activity here, like when I bought it. So it's pretty cool, pretty simple. I like it. I'm digging it. And then you can just use the Cash App to like send money and that sort of thing. Like you can use, to pay. You can send me donations if you wish, or, you can just, the Cash App is dope. Like I'm a huge fan of the Cash App. So guys, now you can invest with the Cash App. It's super simple. Maybe I'll buy like one more share, just so I can walk you guys through it one more time. But let's, what's another company? Let me think of another company that I have been eyeing. It's kind of weird, like I'm just brain fogged right now. Let's actually just scroll through the list and let's see if there's a list of shares that we can go through. Okay, Alibaba, Amazon. Okay, other companies, AMD, Alphabet, Facebook. Facebook will actually probably be a good one. Yeah, Facebook will probably be a good one. Let's go over and let's just jump into Facebook. All right, what do we want to do? $100 in Facebook? Yeah, let's just drop 100 into Facebook for this account. Let me enter my cash code. We straight. We just got $100 of Facebook. So it's very, very simple to invest in the Cash App. And, you know, I really, really, really wish more people will invest, especially young people. Like, I think it's really awesome to invest instead of showing off shoes. Why won't you show off how much money you've made in the stock market? Like, that would be the dopest way to show off. Like, yo, I just made X amount of money in the markets. Like, instead of showing off shoes and clothes and, you know, crap that you're just gonna replace like very, very soon. Versus stock, you'll hold on to it for a very long time because it'll be making you money. You'll be getting paid. Now I have $445 in my stash investing account, which is pretty cool. Like, look at that, already 445. Like, already, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's hit this Cash App, yo. And I got a loss of 49 cents. But that's how it works. Like, it's really cool. So if you guys want to invest with the Cash App, I know majority of you guys probably already have the Cash App downloaded. You might need to like just update your app, but you should have this option here on the bottom where it says investing. And I don't know how this works on Android. I would imagine that it has probably been on Android already for some time and it's sort of coming late to iPhone. But I don't exactly know about Android. But yeah, here it is. It's very, very simple. And then you can go over here. You can get you some Bitcoin, you know. But I don't know how Bitcoin is doing. I'm just going to mess with the stocks because I don't know. I like the stocks. I actually want to get one that pays a dividend so I can see what the dividend looks like in the future. Because I'll definitely make an update video on this. Let me think of a company that pays a dividend. Well, Apple pays a dividend. But I didn't exactly get, you know, let's get some Ford. Ford pays like a 7% dividend. Do they even have Ford on here? No, I tell you what, let's get Verizon. Verizon's a better one. Is Verizon on here? Oh, wow, there's like a bunch of Vanguards on here, like these Vanguard real estate ETFs. Those are dope. Here's Verizon here. And Verizon is $60.97. Let's just get a share of Verizon. So 67, let's do 68. And we're gonna do next. I'll enter my code. And then from there, we just got one share of, I did 68 instead of 61. I meant to do 61. So we got more than one share. I got 1.1 shares, but that's okay. Verizon pays a dividend, so it won't be a round amount of shares anyway after they pay the first dividend. And there we have it. This is the Cash App. This is investing with the Cash App. And now I'm at $512 investing in the Cash App. So guys, get out there, use the Cash App, invest with the Cash App. It's very, very simple to use. And I know a lot of people want to invest, and here's another option. Anyway, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Yo, like, comment, subscribe once again. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace out.